A week in the life of our nightlife, May 14th through May 20th.
Can he hold us?
Hey,
I figured I should probably check before I just handed him something.
can you sing la 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 la? Ooh, yours is bigger than mine. I want that. Oops. I'm sorry, pretty.
Boston, the cameraman.
Hi guys, hi Kellen. Uh-oh. Can you do it again? Again? Oh, play! I added the balls. You have to buy those separately if you want to have them, but I thought they were fun. All right, Kellen, you go up. I want to see you go up. I got Deacon. You go up. You go up. No, right here.
I'm not going.
Okay. Kellen, are you going to go down the slide? What are you doing? Hey, baby. All right, Kellen, I want to see you go down that slide. Put your foot in the holes, babes. Wait for me. Woo! Okay, go do it again. Go do it again. Do you like it?
Again.
Go again. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. Uh-oh, I gotta pick up our lawn chairs. Whoa! What do you think? Look at me! Look at me! Kellen, what do you think? Whoa! Whoa! They're only $10. Get it! Get it!
Where's mine?
Anyone, get anyone.
Where's mine?
Hey guys, we can all share.
You have to go look for him. He's in big water. He's probably swimming.
We can all share though. Dee Dee, get your fish.
Daddy's a stuck.
Did you get a fish?
Daddy's a stuck. Can you let Daddy's out?
Yeah.
Get your fish, Dee Dee.
I got you.
They're both stuck. Can you let them go so they can go swim?
Get it.
No, because he's got to face it.
Put them together.
What?
Make a sound.
Whoa. Did you get him?
Mine's just
What are you doing? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Ooh, thank you for offering one to eat it. Mmm, eggies. Yeah. Eggy, eggy, eggies. Can you say yummy? No? Can you say crazy hair? Yes, you do have crazy hair. Are they good?
Good.
Good. Can you say eggs? Good job, baby. Look at your little Tootsie Rolls. No. No, you eat it. Ooh, good job, baby. Yeah. Can you put them in? Can you say fishy? Fishy. Fishy. Whoa. Whoa. You got it. You got it. You're just going to take out all the pieces and hold on to them?